Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add a post excerpt in WordPress. And if you ever need to set up a disposable WordPress environment like the one we are using today, check out this service. It's called InstaWP. It's extremely flexible and does everything for you, such as setting up SSL, so check it out, instawp.io. So back at our dashboard, we are going to be adding our post excerpt. And I just want to show you guys what a post excerpt is. So let's take a look at a Google search result. So if we look at the first two lines after this search result title, this is a post excerpt. And we can take a look at another one. So if we move to the next search result, or let's move to the third one instead, you see what I'm highlighting right here is also a post excerpt. And if we take a look at our how-to guide over at wphow.com, and by the way, this link will be in the description so you can follow. So what is an excerpt? Basically, a post excerpt summarizes your post content. This is the simplest way to describe it. So by default, WordPress automatically generates a post excerpt when a post is created and published. So depending on your theme, there are many places in which you can find a post excerpt, and that includes search results, RSS feeds, blog pages, archive pages, portfolio pages, and homepage featured content. So we are going to be creating a post excerpt today. So let's go back to our dashboard. So we just want to go over to posts. We can either hover and click all posts or just click posts itself. All right, so we are going to be working with our sample post. So click sample post. So to add our post excerpt, we need to move over to the right-hand side under the post settings. Now, sometimes this may not be displayed, but if you click the gear icon, you can either hide or reveal your post settings. So let's click it again to reveal our post settings. And if we scroll down, we should see a menu item that says excerpt. And once we click it, it should reveal a text box in which we can type our post excerpt. So to make this simple, we are just going to copy and paste the first sentence of our post. But by default, WordPress uses the first 55 words to generate a post excerpt. So we are just gonna go back to post and paste this in our excerpt section. So once you're done pasting, just make sure everything is okay and move over to the top and click update. So this is how you add your post excerpt to a WordPress post. So guys, if you're adding this to a real post, just ensure that your post excerpt summarizes your post effectively and accurately. And remember, it shows up in your Google search results, and it also affects your SEO. So I'm going to show you guys another method that you can use to add post excerpts in WordPress. Let's go over to plugins, click add new, and we just want to type excerpt. So once the page loads, you should see some plugins that can be used to add or configure post excerpts. So there are a number of options that we can choose from, but I do recommend checking out this one. It's called Advanced Excerpt. So this has a few useful features, and we can check out the screenshots to see what it looks like. And it looks like we can configure our excerpt length, as well as some more options that can be useful. So you can always check out these plugins to find one that's a good match for you or your project. So I really hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, the links to the resources that were mentioned, they are in the description. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.